Okay, you got something else. See what you did?
See, you didn't put the
Come
top
on,
on.
man.
You didn't put the top on.
I love 2000 R&B the most because I feel as though like it's transformed.
Who opened it? Elijah?
Yes.
Why you open it, Elijah?
Because I was thirsty.
You always on some bullshit, man.
I know.
Where's the top at?
You just put it on your arm.
Son. You better not say the ha.
I found the letter R.
I got it. Boy. Go. Oh, I stole my
What
thing.
do you mean?
I just saw you, and I'm catching up.
Ow, my face.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Do we all just need it?
Go what?
Yeah,
Go what?
I can do whatever I want.
And not the police you. I can do whatever I want to. Justin, get over here. Hi. You can't run from me.
You can't run away from me.
Ha, I got you now.